Welcome back, everybody. Today's vlog, it's all about my truck, and, well, it's been neglected, and I haven't started it in a while. There's something draining the battery. I don't quite know what that problem is. We'll get that solved soon enough, or not. But, so we're going to charge the battery, get it started, let it warm up, probably take it to the gas station, gas it up, bring it back, and park it again for the next 6 months. Now, hopefully we get out and drive it some more than that, but we're going to get snowed in. At least that's what the news is telling us. Let's see if that's true. I don't know if it's true, but nonetheless, it's going to get cold. So yeah, let's go ahead and get out there and start the truck, because I'm probably going to have to just jump start it, let the battery charge for a while. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so the internet was right. It did get cold. It's not snowing yet, but it said it's going to snow about 7. I see some snowflakes in the air, in the sky, the air. I see some snowflakes, and I don't think we're going to the gas station today, but at least we can still get the truck started. So I'm going to pull out the battery charger instead. Let's go ahead and get that going. Alright, so it's been charging for another 3 hours. Let's see if that's good enough. Alright, it wants to. Almost had it. Well, I think it's just a little bit too cold to get this thing started. I'll have to redeem myself as it warms up. Anyways, yeah, I guess we're gonna have to postpone this. Well, looks like Google was right. It did actually snow. And so instead of starting a truck, because that ain't gonna happen today, let's go ahead and get some B-roll of the snow.